be all right. Maybe that one there, because it's got an arm that kind of grows out that way. You see that arm out there? Might grab something all the way down. So we'll get rid of these. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't let this guy fool you here. You might take something with it. And then that should be good. Maybe even tie in a little higher. And that way, when we jump into that tree, we could jump in nice and high as we can. Set up a time point, come down real quick, limit down, or limit down all the way down. That's another way to do it, because from that one we pretty much just got to take care of that side and maybe this one here, and then so the adjacent side, the side that's to that oak, we need to take those branches off, because again, it'll just swipe some of those branches on the oak tree and it might rip them out. Seen it time and time again. Never fails, man. Branches, you know, this world is, it's built around chaos, and chaos is a part of every system. Every system has chaos in it, and this is just something that is bound to happen. Okay, that's how I see it.
This is funny. All right, so I'll do this.
Just improving my position while the guys clean up down there. I want to swamp them. So not swamping your guys down at the bottom does a few things for you, okay? It gains you the favor of your ground crew. All right, that's number one. All right, it shows that you care about them, that you're thinking about them. And when you're thinking about somebody in that way, in such a small way, it actually has a big effect. So it communicates to them that not only are you thinking about them, but they might interpret it as, oh, he's thinking about me because he cares about the longevity of my body. So the less of a bird's nest he makes down here for me, the easier it is for me to pull out, and therefore he cares about me in a deep way. So that's one way. Another thing is it just creates like a camaraderie between the two of you as a result of all that thinking, interpreting of the communication, you know, and they think about the meaning of it. Yeah, so it really does matter, man. Don't swamp your guys down at the bottom. Be kind to them. Good? Yeah. All right. Gonna let her rip now.
When you get those limbs down and just have the top, I'll give you a rope to tie it off so we can pull it.
All right, bro. I'm just gonna take off 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Time to jump, guys. Time to jump. All right. Oh no. Whew. Lucky. Just pulled this out of a crotch. So lucky. So lucky that it worked. Ah, here we go, baby. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. There you go. All right. Actually, we can make one cut here, and we'll head up higher. Probably cut a few there. Cut a few while we're up top, and then we'll just move on down. And once we're at the bottom, we'll jump over. You call me, bro?
No, you're good.
All right. Alrighty. So here goes. Okay. So now, back to